They're getting pee pad trained. Puppies. Abby. Abby. This one right there is Abby, the red collar. Of course, Char stands right out because she's black. And there's Lily in back of her. I believe that is Edna, that's chewing on that corner of that pad. And there's little laid back Bulldog. There's Bulldog sleeping